So I've been trying to grow a garden here, and if you have tried to grow one, you know it can be difficult, especially protecting it from deer, bunnies, chipmunks, squirrels, birds, everything else. So I've been trying a bunch of different tactics, and my latest is this guy right here, this owl. Since this is a natural predator of a lot of small critters and birds, basically the idea is that they see this guy, they think it's real, they stay away from your garden. And it looks kind of realistic. It's plastic. My only big thing with this is you would have to mount it perfectly in order for the head to work. See, I was just holding it perfectly, and now the head is going to stay there. The idea is that this piece right here, which you put in when you buy it, is the wind will hit it and move it, but I just had to blow on that really hard. So you need it to be set up perfectly, and it's not even moving. And when it does move, it tends to act like The Exorcist or something, and I don't know. I was just a little disappointed with that. But if you set it up like I had it, lean it up here, a good thing to do is kind of move it around in different places so it's more realistic. You know, one day have it there, maybe a couple days later you put it over here, and if the critters see it, they might think it's real. You can mount it. You take that possibility away of moving it around if you attach it permanently with the screws provided. They have mounting locations right here and here, and underneath. What you could do is fill it with sand and just move it around that way. I haven't done that yet because I haven't figured out exactly how I want to do it. And then you would cap it with this. You can also use this hole as like a place to put a stake or something like this. But this is a little awkward and it's probably gonna fall over. But that's totally up to you. But I wanted to let you know the rotating head was, I thought, a cool feature, but it's not really working out the way I hoped. That's all. So, if you didn't know, now you know. Hope this video helps. So I'm trying to grow a garden here, and I'm gonna need some help protecting it. You might be asking, who? I mean, really, it's like he's in The Exorcist. He should be throwing up right now.